What's going on, everyone? It's a beautiful day down here in Texas, so today we're going to be installing the Gilomen Innovations Quiet / low RPM fuel mileage clutch kit on our 2024 Polaris RZR XP4, along with the diamond roller kit. At 30 miles per hour before installing this kit, the machine would run 5,700 RPM. It was loud and the passengers in the back had a hard time hearing. Wait to see the results at the end. It will definitely surprise you. I hope you enjoy the episode.
They're at PK for a birthday party for one of the buddies from robotics. Yeah, one of the kids on his robotics team has their parents live up there. First thing we are working on here is removing the shock tower out of it, so we can actually get a little bit more access to this clutch. Better video quality. Well, but that thing is also at the end of this. I think your CV's at the end of its stroke. Oh, I know what it is. Sway bar's holding it up. We'll carry it away there, Hoss. That's good for it. Took the fun away. Look at that. Mine doesn't fall off. Yours does. Perfect. Those appear to be captured. I think we should refer to the instructions now. We don't need instructions. Remember we said that last time. Using the 8mm socket and extension, remove the bolt. This is on the secondary. Remove bolts holding the plastic cover on. Use your factory belt removal tool that came with your RZR toolkit to remove the drive belt. Hasn't even been opened. I would hope not. You don't have enough hours on this thing to kill it yet. Pulling that. You know what? It actually, I bet it spreads it. Yep. See the belt sinking. See, I'm smarter than you think. Next oil change, we got to change the belt in the Can-Am. I think it says time already. Yeah, it's got 300 hours on it now. Does it really? Yeah. 23 machine. Yeah, drive it. I think it's used every day. I did not realize that. Yeah, it gets used a lot. It is a cool little machine. You can drive a thing for a week or two on 5 gallons of gas. If I didn't have to stop and open gates, I'd drive it to work. But I'm lazy and I don't want to stop and open gates. So I guess we start with the primary. Pretty unobtainium from. I wonder if. No, you know what that is? That's where I was pushing on with the factory belt tool. You know what? That's exactly what it is. That's exactly the factory belt. That's how it does it. Yeah, that's how it does it. Pushes it open. Pushes it open. So if you use a factory belt tool, it will do that. Don't panic. Don't panic. In the instructions, remove the primary clutch cover bolts using the 10, which would be these, and there's going to be a little bit of spring tension behind it. Oh, okay. There's 3 of them. Really? Sorry, they don't say snap-on on them. I'm kind of useless. Snap-on, snap-off. Yeah, it looks like we just drop the flyweight into the inside of the housing and pick it out, fish it out, and then slide the new one in and bolt it in. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the width difference is even the ramp angle's a little different. I mean, everything's a little bit different about it. So yeah, that and mini swirl behind, which is what I'm doing, and then hold it while you stick the bolt through. No problem. And then figure out how to freehand this thing as it disappears. This is when you're like me and you always hire an extra shop hand that has really small hands. He's real tiny, so he can fit into small places and do all the crappy jobs where I can't fit. I don't think he's that small though. He has a watermelon head. Yeah, and a mouse, that guy can fit anywhere. Yeah, he can. You know what? I'm wondering if this will be just a little bit easier to rotate it and the roll pin is what I'm guessing. And you know what I did? So, nuts down in here somewhere now. It fell right off. Got a magnet and a stick? Surely they don't just pull off, do they? And this is how these rollers come out, we found. Like so. The installation of new rollers is as simple as cool. Ahiba. I need a little more finger. There we go. Pop that on. You sucker. Pop that one on. Get that old one out of there. Shit's flying everywhere. Pop that one on. And then we need that. And then
Get ready to squeeze.
I don't. We should be close.
All right, bring it forward.
Like so. Turns. Couple turns. And our torque wrench. Set that to 9 foot-pounds. No getting rowdy. Best thing to do is to pre-start your helix, or your rollers into your helix off the machine, like so. Slide it on, turn it to where the splines engage, like so. Now we have the original bolt, had an outer shim behind it. Word to the wise, put a little never seize on here for lube. You're going steel bolt into an aluminum housing. Keep from going the steel into the aluminum. Putting the belt back on in the same orientation we took it off. Don't know if it matters, but prudence justifies put it back. Good time to inspect your belt too, see if you need a new one. Hopefully if you do, you've already ordered one. If not, you're gonna be waiting.
Oh, get on there. Come on around.
Yeah, roll the clutch.
There you go.
So.
Oh, that's much better.
All right. Everything likes a little lube. Except the belt. Don't get grease on the belt.
Lube the belt. WD-40.
It's like the squeaky brakes on my wife's car. Just put a little oil on them. Takes care of all your problems.
Polaris, this needs to be stronger. See that? Bent. One-time use.
Now it's the run-up.
Engine run-up.
Engine run-up. Forward so it looks like you just were super good at it.
Right.
Top first.
Take two.
That rock fell out of your shock.
Oh, good.
Looks like good old Texas caliche rock.
Keystone or Porsche?
It'll go. It hasn't seen it my way yet. Lift up on that arm for me just here. Got it. Say again?
The ramp angle on those new flyweights.
Oh yeah, it's way different.
Big difference.
You know what I should have done? Was ran the throttle and let you watch it come in. Because you should have seen it when it first came in, it just rolled in super smooth. Remove safety cooler since we're too far for jack stands, but we can afford $25,000 jacket stands.
But not a $20 jack stand, that's too much. Every bit of that is what was under the seats in the General.
Hey,
every bit of that.
If you didn't have to go fast, you could have a machine that has bench seats. It's amazing.
James, take me for a ride. He isn't Miss Daisy. Shifter screw. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. It's not making your ears cry when you're cruising now. Oh, that's nice. Comparison here, coasting downhill a little there. All right, sounding pretty flat.